We are on the publisher of the week page, and here is our gift, Game VFX Buff Collection URP. Actually, it works on all the pipelines, and just copy the coupon code, and here it is written. We can take the gift up to 27th August 2026. By mistake it is 2025 by Unity side. So just click on the get your gift. Here it is approx $3, actual price is $6. And in the video you can see all 9 types of VFX they are using. Click on the buy now button. When you apply that coupon code, the amount becomes 0. And just then click on the pay now button. You can also see this package is work on all the pipelines, and here are the few details. You can go through it. It is just 4.9 MB size. Now we can open this in the Unity side. You have to download it and import it. After importing, you can open the scene view and see all type of VFX they are using. You can also edit in the inspector panel, as you know already, and also check out our game. It is on Google Play Store. Link is in the description. And if you are watching this video after 27th August, means you are not able to take this gift, message me on Instagram. I will help you to give the project